thank you so much for clicking on this one. I really hope you enjoy it. So we have just got to Tulum. We are going to spend a few days in Tulum. We'll come back to that Mayan monkey hostel, the one that we showed you in the last video. We've come and checked into here for a night. So we're just going to go and explore Tulum and see what is going on. Me and Steph. Let's just see what Tulum has to offer. Find some cenotes, find the head, rent some bicycles and just live our lives. Oh my god. Why is he doing that? This is the Mayan Monkey Hostel. It's £9 a night including breakfast. Just ordered Caesar salad and some chips to share in the hostel. Lovely. Okay, so we've come to all our tours. We're going to rent a bicycle for the day. This is literally just 2 doors down from Mayan Monkey Hostel. It's 150 pesos for 24 hours on a bicycle to go all around. It's going to be so exciting. This bike was literally on my vision board. I can't even believe it. How amazing. Okay, so we drove down this beach road and we found this bunny rabbit. This is what it's called. Watch my bag right there. What's his name? The bunny? Yeah. Ralph. Ralph. Yeah. Oh, Ralphie. Ralphie. Oh my god, I love it so much. Okay, so now a bit further down on the same road as the bunny, we found the big head. We are sweating from our bike. So absolutely dripping wet. But there's a massive queue, so we're just stood in the queue now. We can see it. By there. Oh, I can't wait. This is where it is. We are sweating buckets of film. If these photos turn out nice, it'll be a fucking miracle. Absolutely dripping wet. But we can see it. That was the most stressful thing. We did it. We got the man. Now we come here to a bar called Clandestine, down here, Clandestino. Apparently it's got its own cenote in here, so you don't have to have a minimum spend. You can just get spend as much or as little as you like, and you get to go in this cenote. So let's have a look. I feel like a proper tourist today. Yeah. Oh my god, we're going deep in the jungle. Oh. I'm absolutely sweating after that. I can't wait to jump in the water. Don't use... Oh, this is it. That's the cenote.
Shut up.
Yeah.
It's like a dirty pond.
It's like a dirty pond. You can see the bottom. Right, let's get a drink. There she goes. I know, do you want help? Hang on. Yeah. Flipping it. Yeah. Oh, you look so nice. So this is the exact bike out of my vision board. I actually can't believe I've just seen this bike. I literally feel like I am at the right place at the right time now that I've seen this bike. And it's made me so happy. The Mayan Monkey Hostel. Our home for the night, Stephanie. We're in 207. Oh, what now? What now, Hector?
No, no, he actually.
Why does he do that mix?
Okay, let us in. I'm scared. I'm excited to see what this one looks like. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Oh, good. You okay? Oh, slam. Okay, here we go. Right, what bunks are we in? 5 and 7?
Five's up there.
We're 7 down the other side. Am I down here?
No.
I'm up there. Hello. You're on the other side. This is so funny. Okay. Go on, you'll be fine. Ready? Feels like I'm in like a leisure centre.
It doesn't.
Makeup on. And we're going out to Tulum, baby. We're walking back from the beach and it's fucking mayhem.
Crazy.
It's crazy. It's just crazy. There's no walking paths. Oh my god. Drank too much wine. Trying to walk.
On our way to get another bottle or two.
On our way to get more wine. Trying to hitchhike. There's no cars. We're just like walking through the jungle, baby. Cars are just everywhere. Look. I just can't even get round. There's bikes, there's cars. It's just mayhem. we'll get there. We don't know what we're doing. We don't know whether we're staying another night, whether we're going to get the Colectivo back to Playa del Carmen. Don't know what we're doing. We're just everywhere. It's crazy times. Crazy times. Yeah, Christian. Say hi to the vlog, baby.
Cheers, guys.
Look at this. This is just crazy. This is just crazy. Walking in the road with all our friends. Just walking. Wow.
Might not be able to see that well, but it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Yeah, I went before with an older principal, people older, still older.
Do you see my...
It's really weird. That's her better than me. No, I don't have to get that back.
Yeah.
You're
Run
pretty
around.
British.
Go for a run.
I will when I'm out zipped up.
I just want to make sure your hair is... Yeah.
Yeah.
Red.
They're not British though, they're American.
Skinny.
Sorry.
So you have to run all of these right now.
Very good.
There we go.
That's where you run.
Use your feet.
One.
Everywhere you go. Yeah.
The vlog picture.
Looks better on you than him.
See, hey, imagine showing up in a... You wearing that out tonight or what? Dance, do dance.
Bird, been to the shop for shampoo and conditioner because my hair is like straw. Tried to get alcohol, stopped serving alcohol at 5 o'clock on a Sunday. In the dream. We're living the tramp life. I'm actually so burnt, so pissed, so burnt. Help us. Help us.
We're on our way back to Playa del Carmen now. Steph's knackered. We've just got a bus, but this is so much nicer, so comfy on the bus. And we've got Beauty and the Beast playing. So that's lovely. So yeah, that's the end of this little Tulum vlog. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!